We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Why have you got this thing on your head?
Because I have long hair, so I need it to dry.
Anything you want to say to the vlog?
Get ready, get ready.
But even when I don't look that good, I'm still very good looking.
Sutti. Good morning, guys. Subah ho gayi. Chalo, let's start the day. I just woke up. It is currently 9. It's 9:30. But also I slept very late. I slept at like 2 o'clock last night. And the craziest thing, guys, is our house is finally Diwali ready. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm manifesting this. I'm like putting this like out there. I'm putting this energy out there into the universe. Next year around this time, like this Diwali time, I am manifesting to be in India. I actually need to do a bunch of things because it is currently, like I said, 9:30 and I need to like start my day. So let me go and show you the house. Let's do it. I don't even know if you guys are ready for this, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I'm thinking I'm going to show you guys from the outside in. So let's go. This Diwali, I had taken on the responsibility of doing something incredible for my family. That was just like a token of appreciation to say thank you for all the work that you have put in. So let's get into it because this is going to be amazing. Let me show you. Hi Vogue, welcome to our house. Come on in.
Say what, yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Say what.
So yeah, guys, this was our 1 week's worth of decorations and just spending a lot of time with each other. I spent so much of time with Nisa, my mom, and my brother doing all of this, putting them up, and honestly I'm so grateful. But yeah, guys, I'm in love. Also, guys, happy Diwali. Well, Diwali's not today, it's tomorrow, but by the time you guys are gonna watch this, it's going to be Diwali. So happy Diwali, everybody. I hope you guys' lives and moments and just everything is filled with so much of light and love and excitement and gratitude. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that it's finally Diwali because it means that this can finally be appreciated the way that it was meant to be appreciated. But yeah, guys, that was the house tour. That was the Diwali decorations house tour, Vogue style. But now I have a little bit of a surprise for you guys. So in the last video, I had said to you guys at the end of the video, if you guys didn't watch the video, go and watch it once again. I had said to you guys that I may or may not be dyeing my hair in this video. And today's the day because it is almost Diwali and I really want to just like switch up my roots because as you can see, like my natural hair is this color and now all of this has grown out and I kind of just want it to be like one singular color again. So I'm going to be dyeing my hair. Let's do it. Chalo. Okay, the time has finally come where this is the last time you're going to be seeing me with two-toned hair because we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. So I think this is the color. I'm not gonna show you guys what color it is. Might be the color of this bottle. It's gonna be very exciting. Okay, put it in the bowl. Now it's time to add the developer. Oh, that stinks. But anyway, let's do it. Very nice. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of a mix situation. I really hope this is enough for my whole head, but who knows. Kya pata. Guys, also please, to anybody who's watching, I'm not a professional. Please don't try this at home. Please do not recreate any of the scenes that are shown in this video because
I'm emotionally stressed.
just don't. Like, I can't explain it otherwise. Just don't do it, please. I just need to brush out my hair real quick, so I'm gonna do that quickly and then we are going to plaster it on my head. Chala. Okay, hair is brushed out. And also, guys, common sense really isn't common these days because I didn't know you were supposed to put Vaseline on like your like forehead to prevent like the, what is it called, the hair color from like sticking onto your like skin. I didn't know that. Did you know that? Because it's crazy. So I'm just gonna like Vaseline my forehead because my mom said so. Also, guys, look at my dedication because there's a big mirror right over there, but I have decided that I'm in it for you guys. So I'm gonna do my hair without a mirror, just my phone camera right here. Amazing. Chalo, let's finally do it. Sectioned off my hair and now we are ready to go. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Guys, I'm literally dyeing my hair after like a year because the last time I dyed my hair was before I went to India, which was like November. And also to anybody that's asking me what my hair color was, I literally dyed my hair the brightest red you can find. I think it was called like cherry red or something, and then I mixed it in with this other color called ruby red, and it just made this like really red concoction. So yeah, the reason why I have brown hair now is because the red kept washing off within a year. Also, like recently I've been watching this old show. It's called Ye Un Dino Ki Baatein, and I'm like obsessed, guys. It recently started playing on Sony again, and I've watched I think like 25 episodes like lagatar. I'm like literally obsessed, guys. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, it's like burning my eyes. I really hope you can actually like see this on my hair, because if not, what a waste.
Okay.
Okay, I think we might just be able to make it. There's just like a little bit left. Now remember, the back of my head is not my business. So if there's like uncovered spots over there, it's got nothing to do with me, all right? Just ignore it. Just gonna wait for it to process. But don't you worry, I'm not gonna make you wait till another video to see the final results. You're gonna see it in this video. Maybe a little bit later on in the video, but in this video. I don't know if I can even see a difference, but it is very, very wet right now. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna go and have breakfast and let my hair dry a little bit naturally so I can see the full thing. And then I'm going to style it and then show you guys the final product. So, chalo. Back downstairs. Gonna get some breakfast. Oh my god, what happened here? Ye kaise nikla? Guys, this thing fell down. Kiski nazar lagi is pe yaar? Every single time I think that I'm finally done, something has to happen. Also, the match is going on right now. I think it's like India versus Australia or something. So really excited for that. But I'm gonna quickly put this up and then I'll have breakfast. Okay guys, I fixed the thing downstairs, but I have this cute little like candle stand with a little candle on top. So I'm just going to put it outside because I think it's cute. I've just put that over there. I think it looks really cute because it's gold, it matches the door. It's kind of cute, it's giving the vibes, you know, right over here. And I think this place is just so peaceful because like the energy of the house just changes from this part of the door. And I love our little door, guys. I love it. I'm like obsessed with all of the Diwali decorations. But now I'm really hungry, so now let's actually have breakfast and then milte hain thodi der mein. I got my breakfast. It is paneer and roti, and I'm gonna watch a little bit of cricket while I eat. So cheers. I genuinely just don't understand how someone can be so irritated. For what? Why? Where do you want to go?
I sit time pass. I'm too bored, man. It's because I haven't blown dried my hair. Okay, I just left it.
Wow, amazing. Thank God I stopped filming before you said that. He said, and I quote, what did you say?
पता है जो शेर के बाल है ना वो ऐसे ही दिखते हैं, rugged types.
शेर के बाल ऐसे ही दिखते हैं. He's not a शेर.
I am.
Girgit. Lakshay wants to go to the mall, okay? And it's the craziest thing because whenever I want to go to the mall, he's like, no, I'm busy, I can't do this. And now all of a sudden he needs to go to the mall and he wants me to go.
Mall, I'm bored. And it's better than staying at home.
Okay, so now we're gonna have to go to the mall. Okay, we're going, ma'am. Alright. Anyway, guys, I have to. Of course. Anyway, so we're going to the mall because मेरे भाई ने मेरे को लालच में बोल रखा है मैं तुझे आइसक्रीम खिलाऊंगा अगर तू चलेगी मेरे साथ. And guys, अब क्या कर सकते हैं? I'm just a girl. Obviously, I want ice cream. So चलो. Anyway, guys, do we look alike?
No, I'm the better looking sibling.
Next question.
Firstly, who told you this? Your information is the same as trust me, bro. Okay guys, en route to the mall, I feel like every single vlog this week has been us going to the mall. So, chalo. So is that why we're going to the mall to go buy you new perfume?
Yes, absolutely.
Wow.
And
10 रुपए वाला perfume कितने का है जी?
हम 10 रुपए परफ्यूम वाला नहीं खरीदते हमारे पास स्टैंडर्ड है.
All I'm saying is that if I don't get my ice cream, I'm gonna be very, very upset.
What you want, mint chocolate chip?
No, that's disgusting.
Bro, we have the Kit Kat. I've totally forgot about that.
Well, I'm still gonna get ice cream. I don't really care about anything else. But that guy who says 10 rupees ka biscuit kitne ka hai ji? I love that guy. He's so funny. I want a G63 before they discontinue it. If Mercedes-Benz ever discontinues the G63 before I get the G63 full matte black with black rims, I'm gonna be so upset. Okay guys, we made it to the mall and now Lakshay wants to buy perfume, so we need to go and check it out. I'm gonna take him to like 2 other places to go and check it out because they probably have a better version of that in the other one. So I'll see. Lakshay is looking for perfumes. Let me show you.
But it smells nice. Now smell it.
I don't know, I'm not a fan of that.
And you have this, which is more of a
But this smells like your fruit chaat one that you already have at home.
fruit chaat. Fruit chaat.
It is
Okay.
fruit chaat. Guys, मैं कभी भी मर्दों की शॉपिंग पे बिलीव नहीं कर सकती because what do you mean कि इनको कोई दूसरी दुकान देखनी नहीं है और फर्स्ट चीज़ लेने जो उनको देखा मैं 36 दुकानों में जाती और फिर भी कुछ नहीं लेती.
Because we don't do window shopping. We go. We have an objective. You go. You see. You like. You pay. You go.
Amazing. Say that again. Say that again.
Sitafel.
Guys, he said for Cetaphil, he's like Sitafel. कैसे लोग यार दुनिया में. Guys, मेरे से ज़्यादा बेवकूफ़ इंसान इस दुनिया में होगा ही नहीं. मैंने देखी मैं ये आइसक्रीम ले ली because जो कस्टमर्स हमारे सामने थे उनने ये लिए and it looked so yum and वो पता है enjoy करके खा रहे थे. I was like yeah, but this is a strawberry flavor. It tastes disgusting. It tastes like cough syrup. पर अब खाना ही पड़ेगा. अब क्या करें, पैसे लगा रखे हैं इसमें तो yay, I guess. Guys, this is just proof that don't do what other people do. Thank you. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after it's been dried and styled. Honestly, like I don't hate it, but do I love it the most? No. I don't think it did much of a difference in very honesty. Like my top still looks pretty much the same, the bottom still looks the same. Although I will say that the dye that I used did make the bottoms of my hair to be darker. So they kind of like flow in better with my natural colored hair. So you know what? You win some, you lose some. I spent like 30 minutes having into my hair for it to do nothing. But it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine.
Are you not embarrassed?
Anyway, you guys must let me know if I should actually re-dye my hair. Definitely not now. Maybe like towards the end of the year. I'm gonna give it like a couple of months to like kind of just set in and like grow out a little bit. But maybe December, maybe New Year's, I can redo it and do it better this time. Have it actually be a really nice color. But you know, that's that. So right now it's about 1 p.m. and I don't know what we're going to be doing today the rest of the day. But whatever it is, I'll take you guys along with me. But for now, I need to go do some kaam-kaji things for the house. So see you later. मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ South African weather कैसा है. It is currently 4:30 p.m. and just look at this. Look at that, guys. It is literally raining. Thundering raining. It is so nice. इतना मस्त मौसम हो रखा है यार. I love the rain. I don't think I can ever trust somebody who says they don't love the rain because what do you mean? इतना peaceful, इतना खूबसूरत मौसम होता है ना बारिश. Hi. But yeah, guys, I don't know what to do now. It's kind of like I'm feeling lazy now ये बारिश देख के. So I'm thinking that maybe I should just like take a nap and then continue. Which honestly, realistically speaking, I probably am going to take a nap and then continue because like, guys, इतना बढ़िया मौसम है यार. How can you not take a nap? So anyway, see you in a little bit. Guys, my 10-minute nap was supposed to be 10 minutes. Ended up being 2 hours. I'm literally just a girl. But as you can see, I am taiyar. It is currently almost 8. And the reason why I'm taiyar is because we're going to go out to eat. And we're going to this place. It's called Dosa Hut. And it is so yum. It's probably one of my favorite Indian restaurants in South Africa. So yeah, we're going to go to Dosa Hut and get some food. From Dosa Hut, you can literally just get anything. There's like paneer, there's like dosas, idli, sambar, all of those things. But guys, I love it. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. But चलो चलते हैं. Guys, look how cute it looks. And this bhai sahab is upset that we had to take him to eat. कौन upset होता है यार खाना खाने के लिए? पहुंच गए guys, Dosa Hut. Guys, there's my mom and dad. Well, there's my dad. What?
I said you should have gotten the keys. It's too cold, man.
It's not even. There's always one person when the temperature drops like 1 degree that they behave like this. Okay guys, वापस आ गए. अभी बज रहे हैं 9 रात के. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had a wonderful day and happy Diwali to you all. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful Diwali, a wonderful year, just filled with so much of love and light and gratitude. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and follow. I love you all. See you in the next one.